If you've ever paid for something with your phone, transferred money using an app, or checked your bank statement online, then you're already part of a multi-billion-dollar industry. It's called FinTech.
For years, wars of new AI tools were created.
Now I think that we're entering into a new phase where we're at the end of cutting costs.
What if your bank account could track your carbon footprint or approve a loan while you sleep? From AI-driven personalization to DeFi going mainstream, 2025's FinTech trends are making finance smarter, greener, and almost invisible. The revolution is underway. Are you ready to experience the new era of money? Hyper-personalized finance with AI. Think of your banking app not just tracking your spending, but truly understanding your financial life. In 2025, AI is taking personalization to a whole new level. We're talking about real-time financial advice that adapts to your behaviors, goals, and life events. Just move to a new city? Your budgeting tool automatically adjusts your spending categories. Switch jobs? Your savings app recalibrates your goals and nudges you with reminders at just the right moment. This isn't science fiction. Leading fintechs are using machine learning to analyze everything from your transaction history to your digital footprint, creating a financial fingerprint that's unique to you. Financial tools that feel more like a personal coach than a calculator help you invest, save, and spend smarter. The key is trust. As AI gets more involved, fintechs are doubling down on transparency and security, so you always know how your data is being used. Embedded finance becomes ubiquitous. Remember when you had to visit a bank for a loan or insurance? Those days are gone. In 2025, embedded finance will be everywhere, baked into the apps and platforms you already use. Need a loan while shopping online? Platforms like Shopify and Apple have made it seamless, letting you access credit, savings, or insurance without ever leaving the checkout page. And it's not just retail. Healthcare, education, and real estate are all embracing embedded finance, making it a daily habit for millions. For businesses, it's a game changer. Offering financial services directly to customers boosts loyalty and unlocks new revenue streams. For consumers, it means frictionless, value-added experiences, more jumping between apps or filling out endless forms. Real-time cross-border payments. Waiting days for a payment to clear? That's ancient history. In 2025, real-time payments are the new normal locally and internationally. Thanks to global payment rails and standards like ISO 2022, Swift GPI, and RippleNet, money moves at the speed of life. Whether you're sending money to a friend or paying a supplier overseas, transactions happen instantly. This is a massive win for businesses, freelancers, and anyone who's ever waited anxiously for funds to arrive. Real-time payments also mean fewer fees, more transparency, and better tracking. DeFi matures and embraces regulation. Decentralized finance DeFi has been the Wild West of fintech, promising transparency and control but often lacking guardrails. In 2025, that's changing. DeFi is growing, with regulators and institutions stepping in to create hybrid models that blend the best of decentralization with the safety of compliance. Smart contracts, tokenization, and blockchain technology are still at the core. But now there's a layer of trust and accountability. This opens the door for mainstream adoption as banks and fintechs launch regulated DeFi platforms that offer innovative products without the risks of the early days. For users, it means more choice, more control, and a safer way to explore the future of finance. Open banking expands into ecosystems. Open banking started to share your financial data securely with third-party apps. By 2025, it's become the backbone of a new financial ecosystem. APIs are driving deep collaboration between banks, fintechs, and even non-financial companies, creating a network of services that work together seamlessly. Think of managing your bank accounts, credit cards, investments, and insurance from a single dashboard. Open banking ecosystems make this possible, offering tailored products, smarter recommendations, and automated money management. The focus is empowering users with more choices and better experiences while keeping data secure and private. Smarter, frictionless fraud protection. Fraud is evolving, but so is FinTech's defense. In 2025, AI-driven fraud detection is catching suspicious activity in real time, using everything from behavioral analytics to biometric signals. The best part? You barely notice it's there. No more endless security questions or clunky verification steps. Instead, your app recognizes your voice, your face, and even your typing patterns, onboarding and transactions faster and safer. This frictionless security means you get a smooth experience while staying protected from ever more sophisticated threats. For fintechs, it's a win-win: happier customers and fewer fraud losses. Financial wellness platforms rise. Budgeting apps are growing up. Financial wellness is the goal, and platforms are delivering all-in-one solutions for managing money, building credit, saving, and investing. These platforms are especially popular with Gen Z and gig workers who want flexible, human-centered tools that fit their lifestyles. Think personalized credit tips, savings nudges, and micro-investment lessons delivered in a friendly, gamified interface. The focus is on holistic wellness, not just numbers, helping users reduce stress, build confidence, and achieve their goals. Financial wellness platforms are making money management more accessible, educational, and empowering than ever before. Green and sustainable fintech. Sustainability is no longer a buzzword, it's a core part of fintech's mission. In 2025, green fintech is everywhere. Apps help you track your carbon footprint, invest in eco-friendly projects, and access green loans with better terms. Banks and fintechs are responding to consumer demand for ethical finance, offering products that align with your values. Want to see the impact of your spending? Some apps now visualize your environmental footprint and suggest greener alternatives. Others let you invest in renewable energy or support climate-positive initiatives directly from your phone. As the world gets more eco-conscious, green fintech is making it easier for everyone to make a difference with their money. Voice-driven and conversational banking. Hey Siri, what's my balance? In 2025, voice assistants and chatbots are making banking as easy as having a conversation. Whether checking your account, sending money, or getting financial advice, you can do it all hands-free. Conversational AI is getting smarter, understanding context, learning your preferences, and offering proactive suggestions. For users on the go, or those who prefer talking to typing, voice-driven banking is a game changer. It's also a big win for accessibility, opening financial services to people who might struggle with traditional interfaces. The future of banking is conversational, intuitive, and always available. Digital IDs and advanced biometrics. Forget passwords and paperwork. In 2025, digital identity wallets and biometric authentication are making onboarding and verification faster, safer, and more seamless than ever. You can open an account, apply for a loan, or access insurance with a fingerprint, a selfie, or a secure digital ID stored on your phone. Fintechs are partnering with governments and global organizations to create interoperable digital ID systems across borders. This means less hassle for you and stronger protection against fraud. Digital IDs are not just about convenience. They're about building trust in a digital-first world, where security and privacy matter more than ever. Passionate about the future of finance and technology? Subscribe now and join us as we uncover the trends shaping how you bank, borrow, and pay. Thanks for watching.